I heartily welcomes you all to join Rana Kitchen, a professional cooking terminal. Oatmeal bread is a wonderful way to add nutrition and texture to morning toast. A favorite sandwich with a great avocado with chopped onion and little spicy by adding green chili sauce. Wow, wonderful creation. Oat bread boosts the fiber content while giving the bread a little heartiness and golden brown crust. Today we are going to make a healthy bread which is made from oat and wheat flour. Anyone can make a bread. There is no magic at all. You don't need to have exclusive ingredients. The bread which you are going to make is with the nominal ingredients which is available in all the supermarkets and kirana store. So any housemakers can make this bread at home and enjoy this bread along with their children and family. And exclusively the healthy bread is made for the children. To start with the bread, we have to add yeast for flame fermentation. The purpose of using flame fermentation is to activate the yeast. So I am adding the yeast. A little bit of sugar, a teaspoon of flour, then add lukewarm water, and again dissolve them. This is the first method, which the yeast is dissolved with a little bit of sugar and flour to activate the yeast. In this process, the yeast is going to stimulate it and activate it. As yeast is a living organism, we have to check either it's dead or alive. So I allowed for 10 minutes. Now the yeast is rising. We can use this yeast for our preparation. Whole wheat flour with a spoon, just make bay in the center to incorporate all other ingredients. First I'm adding yeast. Then I am sprinkling the oats on top of the flour. The salt. And a little bit of sugar extract. This is nothing but is a sugar substitute. As bread required taste. And I am also using a healthy oil, olive oil, instead of using fat. So I have incorporated a few ingredients to dissolve thoroughly. Then I am adding the remaining water. Now we will incorporate the ingredients slowly from inside. Now the total water is incorporated. Now binding all the ingredients together. Knead the dough until the gluten get developed. Now the dough is developed. I am going to allow it for bulk fermentation, which is around 45 minutes. During this process, the yeast is going to be multiplied into several. So I will just shift into the bowl and cover it with a cling wrap. So I am going to cover the dough with a cling wrap. I just shift the dough from the bowl to the table and give a knock back to equalize the yeast and the air too. Now the dough is going to divide it into 50 grams each. If at all you want to make a bun. And remaining 350 grams of dough, I am going to use it for the bread. Just roll the dough. Tightly, then place it on the greased tray. Similarly, all the rolls. Now the buns and the bread is ready. I'm going to leave it for proving in cool and dry place for around 20 minutes. Finally, we baked our bread in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 25 to 30 minutes. So the bread come out like this. You can see the color, golden brown color. It's the ultimate color for the bread. So you can enjoy the bread by baking like this. Now, let us allow this bread to cool for some time. Then we can slice it. As we are making healthy food for future, we are taking healthy ingredients to make a perfect sandwich. For that, we choose avocado, which is tropical fruit. I am going to sandwich inside the bread. Just peel the avocado. Cutting the avocado into two. Then you see the avocado forms like this. So you can see it is fully ripe. It can be used for the sandwich. It is going to be a creamy and give exceptional taste. I am going to make avocado filling out of avocado, onions and some seasoning, little bit of green chili sauce will be added to the filling. For that, I am chopping little onion. Out of this onion, we are going to collect some onion rings. Just smash this avocado. For some. Then add onion. That's it. Seasoning. I'm adding little salt. And some chili paste to it. Then continue mixing. So the filling is ready for sandwiching. I am going to slice the bread by using the bread knife up to 3/4. Then apply the filling inside the bread slice. I am using little tomato ketchup inside the sandwich. With all the seasonings ready, I am going to apply over the slice. Some seasoning, some chili sauce on top. Then closing the sandwich and slightly press it on top of the bread. So your sandwich is ready. Just drizzle with a little cream cheese on top. Then serve. Please try this recipe and add your comments in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep trying for the best. Please subscribe our channel for future recipes. Thank you. Thank you very much for being as a good audience. Thank you.